Is golf worth it?
Oh,
Let's dive in. So you're wondering if golf is worth it. This game has existed since the 15th century in Scotland. Ancient.
Please honor me by allowing it to be kept here at the Royal and Ancient Golf Club, where it belongs.
Hilarious, frustrating, and oddly satisfying. It's its own animal.
Now, let me show you how wild this animal can be.
Okay, the pros. The allure of the greens. Golf is like a spa day for your soul. You spend hours outdoors surrounded by nature's beauty. It's the perfect excuse to escape the hustle and bustle and pretend you're one with the universe.
It finds its way across the universe and it lands in your body and your head.
Or at least with the birds and the squirrels. It's a social gold mine. Golf is the ultimate networking event. You can bond with your friends, your boys, and colleagues.
What he means, man, is you have to hurry because there's a bunch of horny Chileans who want to go to the strip club.
Close deals with clients, or just make some new friends. And let's be honest, it's a lot easier to have deep conversations when you're not staring at a screen. Exercise in disguise. Golf is a sneaky way to get some exercise without actually trying. You'll be surprised how many calories you burn walking 18 holes. Especially if you're chasing your ball into the woods or walking to the cart girl a few times around to get a few drinks for you and your foursome. Oh, that's tough. That's tough work. Yeah, mastering the art of patience. Golf is a great way to develop patience. You'll learn to accept disappointment, embrace failure, and count to 10. A lot. It's like meditation, but with more swearing.
Take one goddamn guess.
Okay, the cons. The equipment addiction. If you think drug addicts are bad, golf is a bottomless pit of money.
I am broke, babe. The wolves are circling.
You'll spend a fortune on clubs, balls, shoes, and so much bullshit you can't begin to imagine.
Oh, God. Oh, I can just imagine.
Trust me, I'm there now. And don't even get me started on the latest gadgets and gizmos that promise to improve your swing. Yeah, I also have some beachfront property in Ohio for sale.
Besides, I got a great deal on this one.
The curse of the lost golf ball. Golf is a constant battle against the elements. Your ball can disappear into the water hazard, get lost in the rough, or be stolen by human squirrels. It's like a real-life Easter egg hunt, but with less candy.
Somebody needs to adjust their attitude if they want some candy.
And more frustration. Picture trying to find your keys after you turn 40.
If I can find the keys.
The language barrier. Golf has its own language filled with strange terms and acronyms. In the beginning, you'll need a freaking dictionary to understand what the hell people are even talking about.
I don't understand this.
And trust me, you'll hear the colorful vocabulary that golfers use to express their emotions.
You don't know what it's like to put your emotions out there, naked, for the whole world to see.
So, is golf worth it? Hell yes.
Okay. All right.
Hi, I'm Manny Up. I started golfing over 20 years ago, and I still suck.
He ain't lying.
But golf has given me more than I've given it. So follow me on this journey as I try to explain this enigma called golf. I started a league over 10 years ago, and if you think golf is challenging, try satisfying 100 golfers every month. It's like herding cats.
herding cats. Don't let anybody tell you it's easy.
But seriously, I will take you on my golf journey. We will laugh, cry, through it all. Please subscribe and like this video. I promise my golf takes will be short, just like my approach shots.
It's coming up short half the time.
Damn. Get in the comments if you're a new golfer or an intermediate golfer and let us know. Is it worth it? What's your life experiences with golf? How did it enhance your life? What kind of friends and acquaintances and lifelong bonds have you had? I know I have. So, with that said, golf is worth it. And more importantly, golf leagues matter.